Did you click on this video because you need to crochet something and you don't have a lot of time? Maybe you signed up for a market and you're realizing, ooh, I need some very quick projects to throw on my table, maybe some smaller ones at smaller price points, and I need them now. Or maybe you feel like crocheting, but you don't necessarily want to sign up for a project that's going to take you hours or days to complete. Or maybe you only have a little bit of yarn and you're thinking, I don't know what to do with this. Is there a quick, small project I can do? Well, yeah, there is. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. This video is going to be 50 plus quick and easy crochet ideas. So whether you don't have a lot of time or you're just looking for an easy project to do, maybe you're a beginner, this video is for you. As always, everything I show you is going to be linked in the description box below in the order that I show it to you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make everything I show you. I'm going to use free or paid tags so that you know before you ever click on anything whether or not a pattern is going to be free. In this video specifically, only 6 are paid and the rest are free. So we have a majority free video, which is what I aim for. So if you're happy about that, click that subscribe button. Like always, if any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, DM me on Instagram or shoot me a quick email and I'll take it out. There are no categories for this. We're just going to jump right into it and go down the list. So let's start with our first pattern, which is a tissue holder. Very cute. I'm trying to find cute, useful items you could possibly put in a market or gift to someone. And this cute tissue holder is one of those projects. You can also make an apple charm, cup cozy, bag charm, or this frog tissue pouch. I'm not sure what's going on in the crochet community right now, but tissue pouches are kind of like blowing up. You can also do bag charms like this cherry bow bag charm or a little mini frog with either pants, overalls, or like a dress skirt. This little lizard, the one that's like lizard all over TikTok, is a crochet tutorial. So that's for you. Then we've got cute little bunnies. Again, these projects are really good if you don't have a lot of yarn. Maybe you have a quarter of a skein from an old project left and you want something to do with the yarn. These are good projects for that. Think Easter, like these tulips, that bunny. These are good projects for spring, flea markets if you're clicking on this and we're in spring. Silly goose no-sew pattern. You've got a star trinket tray. Those are cute gifts. Trinket trays always make really cute gifts. You can also do summer fruits. There's a bunch in this one. Or a mini jellyfish keychain, which I've done, and it's really cute. We've got autumn charms with fall coming up. This one's a good one. And a lot to choose from. We've also got a mini bird series, which it looks like there are 4 different birds. We've got fruit trinket dishes, 2 options, a little axolotl head, some strawberries dipped in chocolate, a lot of options. A possum, like come on, I'm giving you some good stuff. We've got a little cow, and then a similar kind of blanket yarn vibe, the sleepy kitties. And then, of course, I gotta sneak a Coraline pattern in here because it is my favorite movie, but we've got a Coraline squid keychain, or this marble pusher. I do have a lot of fidgets in here as well. They make for really quick, easy projects as well as good things to sell at markets or gift to those of you who have friends who are neurodivergent or family. Marble fidget like this one, or you can make these nesting baskets, good for holding small things, holding your crochet hooks. You can do this with scrap yarn. You can make little chickens and either turn them into car charms or bag charms, or leave them as is. Another mini bunny, but this one's more standing up than kind of sitting together. These 2-minute hearts, super fast. I'm trying to make this versatile for kind of all the seasons we have coming up, spring, summer, fall, winter. Depending on when you're clicking on this, you'll be able to find something. We've got a easy crochet bow, any size. This slice of rolled cake, Very cute. Reminds me of something I've seen in a K-drama before. Am I speaking English? Reminds me of something I've seen in a K-drama before. I gotta enunciate my words. Like, I'm talking into a microphone. Why am I mumbling? Before I show you the next pattern, I want to talk very, very quickly about my mail club. I run a mail club where you sign up. It's like a subscription-based service. You pay a subscription every month and you get a letter from me in the mail with a bunch of cute goodies like a postcard, stickers, junk journal paper, a bunch of different things. Here are some past ones I've done. Here's the August one that's coming up. If you join in July, you get the August one. If you join in August, you get the month that comes after August, September. You get the September one. So you can go to scaredycat.shop to join, or let a friend know if you think they might be interested in it. So we've got snakes, very simple. Drawstring pouches, love these with my scrap yarn projects, love them. You can make dishcloths. Another good thing to either gift or sell at a flea market, and you don't need a lot of yarn for them. Now, this one's really fun. This is a yarn skein keychain. So you're crocheting a skein of yarn as a keychain. I just thought it was fun. Full set of 20 fidget toys. So if the fidget ones I've showed you so far were not your speed, there's 20 in this set. You can also make a wind spinner. I have made one of these before. Very fun, quick project. You can also make this sheep badge. Yeah, it's very cute. Fun name. Peas in a pod, always an option. Cat alien. Who doesn't love a cat alien? We've got goose frogs. Goose with frog hats. My cat is chewing on her water fountain cord. You know, she likes to live life dangerously and see how many times she can chew on a cord and not get electrocuted. It's like a game to her. We also have these really simple worry worms, perfect for beginners. This video is like a gold mine if you're just learning how to crochet. We've got strawberry, what's the word I'm looking for? Chapstick holder. And then we've got shrimps. Love these shrimp. I just watched the new I Know What You Did Last Summer movie. And the entire time I was watching it, my sister was there. I was watching it with her too. And every time the camera panned over, it was for like a wedding, or not a wedding, but like a bridal shower or something. And there were shrimp hearts like on every side. And my sister just kept going, "Oh my god, look, shrimp heart." And the camera would pan over to another character and there'd be another thing of like shrimp hearts. And she's like, "Look, hearts, shrimp hearts. Oh my god, look, shrimp heart." Like I 6 times, probably 6 times. Anyway, I saw this and immediately thought of that. Also, that movie sucked. Sarah Michelle Gellar, I love her. That movie sucked. We've got troll blobs, if you want to make those, or preemie hats. Now, I urge you, if you're going to do this, because I've done this, if you're going to make some preemie hats to donate, Google places near you. Also, I forget where I donated mine. If I find it, I'll put it on the screen, but you can also just check like who accepts them, and you can make these and donate them. If you're just looking for a project so you can like keep your hands busy, but you don't necessarily need it for anything, this is a really good thing to do for your community. You can also do these marshmallows. Makes me want a s'more real bad. These flower bag charms, as well as these crochet fish keychains. And then we've got nope, I'm a liar. We've got whale, shark, orca. Yeah, they all have like a very similar shape. And then we've got no-sew mini octopus. Yeah. And that is all of the quick and easy crochet ideas that I have for you. We even went through that quick and easy. I know you guys like it when I don't spend a million hours talking about patterns and I kind of just go through it and let you guys pick what you want to make. So trying to be fast. If any of these are awesome and you love them, check the description box below. I'm going to list everything in the order that I showed it to you, link to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make anything I showed you. If you're able to find something, subscribe to the channel. It really supports me. It helps me in continuing to do these and finding all these patterns for you guys and showing them. Also, I've been getting some DMs from people saying that they think that I'm putting patterns up on my channel. People are paying me to do that. It's not happening. If you want your pattern promoted, like, I've never once been paid to put a pattern on here. If I was paid to put someone's pattern in here, you would know it. I would disclose that to you. These are just patterns that I have found on my own and researched and compiled for you. If there's a crochet idea video you want to see and I haven't done it yet, or maybe I did it a long time ago and you want a new one, comment down below and I'll put it on the list. And other than that, I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.